Launching a DAO used to be a nightmare of legal risk, technical setup, and uncertainty. Not anymore. Now it feels like opening the App Store. Choose your governance module, set permissions, and you're live. Aragon turns governance into plug-and-play infrastructure, audited, modular, reliable. No more reinventing dangerous code, no more guessing. Welcome back to the Optimism Show. This is Project Discovery, where we cover the companies evolving Web3 and the builders leading its next wave. Today we're exploring Aragon, a modular security-first governance stack that lets teams launch and evolve DAOs as easily as installing apps. Building on-chain governance from scratch is a nightmare. It's slow, expensive, fragile, and one mistake in the code can wipe out a treasury. Aragon solves this by giving teams audited, plug-and-play governance modules, token voting, multisigs, VE lockers, encrypted proposals, all without writing a line of Solidity. This lets teams ship governance safely and focus on the actual protocol. Think of it like this. Traditional governance is a custom-built house. Every nail and wire is handcrafted, meaning expensive and risky. Aragon is more like snapping together certified rooms in a modular building. Treasury vault here, voting module there, permission desk at the entrance. At the core is the DAO contract, your headquarters. Around it are plugins, token voting, multi-sig councils, optimistic governance flows, multi-chain execution modules, and more. Plugins live in an on-chain repository indexed by ENS names, and installing one is a secure two-step process. Request permissions, apply permissions automatically. The core pieces are simple. DAO, the main hub, permission manager, your keycard access system, plugin repo, the plugin library, plugin setup, the installer. Cross-chain execution uses LayerZero. Cheap voting runs on zkSync. Encrypted proposals use IPFS and encryption. Everything is designed to scale across chains. Aragon brings a few things this space has been missing. A no-code app for launching and managing DAOs. A plugin-first architecture with versioned ENS-indexed modules. Fine-grained permissions you can grant, revoke, or conditionally allow. Multiple governance styles. Token voting, multi-sig councils, optimistic flows, vlockers, gauges, encrypted or staged proposals. All with multi-chain functionality, vote on zkSync, execute across EVM via LayerZero. Security you can trust. Hellborn audits, code for arena reviews, and battle-tested deployments. From established protocols like Curve and Polygon, Aragon recently shipped OSX, their modular governance framework, new DAO templates under AGPL v3, multi-chain governance plugins using LayerZero plus zkSync, plus new privacy features through their Vocdoni acquisition. What's coming next? A growing third-party plugin marketplace, deeper zkSync integration, more audits and hardening, upgraded permission flows, and encrypted proposal patterns. Why this all matters? Modular governance lets DAOs upgrade safely, coordinate faster, and scale alongside the rest of the blockchain ecosystem. Aragon has been building for over 7 years. Their infrastructure has secured more than $35 billion in DAO treasuries. They're trusted by Curve, Polygon's Protocol Council, and other long-standing protocols. Security reviews come from Hellborn, Code Vrena, and the wider community. This isn't experimental tech. It's real infrastructure with real usage. To summarize with an analogy, Aragon is the App Store and the security desk for DAO governance. It turns governance from handcrafted fragile infrastructure into something composable, auditable, and chain agnostic. Tell me what we should explore next. A deep dive into Aragon's multi-chain governance plugin, or a case study comparing Curve and Polygon's governance models. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit subscribe and join the conversation. This is The Optimism Show. See you next time.